Welcome learners for lecture 7 of mathematical method, that is the MSc second year of a semester third. We contain as a mathematical method, that is a paper third. Okay, we discussing about the corollary of this chapter. For the Fourier transform, first will be generated as a corollary. In this lecture 7 discussing about the two corollary. Previous lecture we discussing about the localization lemma and other corollary. Okay, we started as a first corollary, that is a corollary first. If f of t is an element of a p dash r and f of t is an element of a dash, both of these elements of a f of t where r is the whole real line, then it will be generated as a integration 0 to infinity f of x plus t sin lambda t upon t dt, as dt tends to pi by 2 f of x plus containing as a positive form as a lambda tends to infinity. Okay, this will be the corollary. In this corollary, two important form will be generating, that is the first will be f of t contain as a two form, that is a p dash r and a dash is both of these continuous in f of t. Okay, second is will be generated as a main important equation, that is the integration 0 to infinity. Lower limit will be contained as a 0 and upper limit will be containing as a infinity. F of x plus t sin lambda t upon t dt, as a dt tends to 90 degree. F of x plus will be generated is this form. Okay, what is the proof of this corollary? Then starting as a proof, given to the equation if f of t is an element of p dash r and f of t is an element of a dash, will be both of these generated, but given to the form in generating to the lower limit and upper limit. If f of t is an element of a p dash 0 to infinity, and if will be generated as a f of t upon t is an elements of a1, this is also generating as a form, that is a 0 to infinity. Sorry, this is not a a1, this is a dash. Both of these will be containing as a given equation for the corollary. Okay, both of this will be generating 0 to infinity as their limit. Then this will be generated equation, that is the integration 0 to infinity f of t will be generated sin lambda t upon t dt as a pi by 2 f of x plus, as containing as a lambda tends to infinity. Then changing to the variable, by changing the variable x, then factor will be generating, that is a f of t is an elements of a of a 0 to infinity and f of t upon t is an elements of a to 0 to infinity. What we will say in this equation, both of this condition, that is the f of t and f of t upon t is an elements of a of 0 to infinity. Okay, this will be proved in this equation. Then a is always greater than 0, a will be generated as a always greater than 0. Then the equation will be solved, that is the integration 0 to infinity f of x plus t sin lambda t upon t dt changes to the form, that is a pi by 2 f of x plus as a lambda tends to infinity. This will be proving because a is a both of this form will be generated, f of t and f of t upon t. This will be the first corollary. Next is the second corollary. Second corollary will be say, that is a corollary if f of t is an element of a p dash r and if f of t is an element of a dash r where r is the whole real line, then integration. In this first corollary, changing to the integration, first will be contained as a 0, second will be generated as a integration minus infinity to infinity f of x plus t upon sin lambda t upon t dt tends to pi by 2 f of x plus, as a r is always containing as a form, that is a capital R. Okay, this will be given, both of this equation will be generated. What is the proof of this corollary? We know that the content of this form f of t in a both of the form will be generated, p dash r and a dash r. Then equation will be generated, integration minus infinity to infinity f of x plus t sin lambda t upon t dt changing to the form pi by 2 f of x plus minus f of x minus, as lambda is containing as a form that is a infinity. This is the equation first. Consider to the form integration minus infinity to infinity f of x plus t sin lambda t upon t dt. This will be the first short equation. Put in the t, condition of will be t will be generated, t equals to minus u, then dt will be changes as a derivative form in this equation, dt equals to minus du. Limit also changes because equation will be changing of a t, then limit also changes in this form. First limit will be contained as a t equals to minus infinity, then u will be generated as a minus infinity. First form will be generated. Then second, when t equals to containing as a, then u equals to containing as a 0. T equals to a, then u equals to 0 for reducing of this form will be generated. Substitute all this value in equation first. Equation first, integration minus infinity to 0 containing as a form f of x plus t sin lambda t upon t. Okay. Then after that, integration minus infinity to 0 f of generating as a form x, t will be generated as a minus u, sin lambda t will be generated as a minus u upon minus u. Okay. And dt will be in this portion, not a dt will be finding, but dt will be generated. This is a minus du. Then solve this equation in the form integration will be common in all these condition of this form, minus integration in this form, integration minus infinity to 0 f of x minus u sin lambda u upon u du. What is this will be changes of this form, because of this du will be containing as a minus sign is a common in this form, and this minus u upon minus u containing as a sin minus theta changes as a minus sin theta. Okay, both of will be changing. Then generated as a form integration minus infinity to infinity f of x minus u sin lambda u upon u du. Okay. Then these both of this equation in a given form is say that this equation is a pi by 2 upon x of f of x of, this will be generated as a minus sign, hence is a minus. This is a your second equation. If will be contained as a plus sign, this is a plus form f of x plus. Okay. Now we have both of this equation, integration minus infinity to infinity f of x plus t sin lambda t upon t dt equals to separate this equation, that is the limit of a minus infinity to infinity. Both of this equation is the same, but separating in the 0 form is a first will be contained as a upper limit and second will be contained as a lower limit of this form. Then separating integration minus infinity to 0 f of x plus t sin lambda t upon t dt plus second will be generated as a integration 0 to, this is both of this common equal part, but will be changes as a limit of this upper and lower limit f of x plus t sin lambda t upon t dt. Okay. For solving to the equation, this is called as a first form will be generated as a minus pi by 2 f of x minus, and another form will be generated as a plus pi by 2 f of x plus by equation first and second. Then both of this equation common to the pi by 2, both combining to the form f of x minus and f of x plus. This is the proof of this equation. This will be the two corollary of form for the localization lemma of this containing of the form. This will be generated as a Fourier transform. Okay. This Fourier transform will be generating as a both of the combining form after the separating of two equation and generated as a last result, that is a pi by 2 f of x plus f of x minus.